Hi, I'm David Penn from Wizard FX Productions, and these are liquid forks. Now guys, if you're into metal bending, you will know that there's been a serious shortage of the perfect fork for metal bending. Whether you're influenced by the work of Striebler, D. Christopher, Banachek, perhaps even myself, these have been very, very difficult to get hold of. What we've done, we've actually produced the perfect fork. It's very easy to effect the tine bend and of course Banachek's twist. They're sold in packs of 50s and available now from either Wizard FX Productions or your favourite magic dealer. These are liquid forks.